One of the goals for this cart was to reduce the cycle time on the operation. So what we decided to do, it was to properly kit the part numbers in the right way. So right now Robert will be showing us how to kit the right way and in the correct place. Okay, the first part of the assembly is that our partner Robert will be supplying the parts for the assembly. We divide in 3 stages, as you can see. This will be the same stages that are divided in the assembly. Robert will begin for stage number 1. As you can see, parts are already pocket yoke, and he's already putting the T features. The threads are already aligned with the T features. And all the parts that are for stage number 1 that goes into the bin will be going into that bin. Now he will be starting with stage 2. Now he will continue with the stage 2. Now he's going for the side plates of the heat exchanger, which are also pocket yoke. As you can see, it will only go through in one position. As you can see, it's already pocket yoke, so it will only go through one side. So that's why he's having some hassle to put the parts in the right place. So now he will be putting all the parts in the bin, all the parts that are not that are part of the assembly. And these are the parts that are part for the stage number 2. Now for the last stage, he will be continuing to kitting the cart. All those three parts are part of the core of the structure, the last part of the assembly. And he's almost done with kitting the cart for the heat exchangers Pharos Revolution. Now he just had complete to kitting the cart for the heat exchanger, and he will be giving this cart to the production line. Well, as you can see now, the kitting cart from the Water Spider is already finished, and also that's what we mentioned about kitting the right way but also in the right position. That's how we're gonna be trying to reduce our cycle time now that just the technician from the assembly line will just be putting the screws into the holes and just applying torques. As you can see, all the parts are already aligned for this prototype and is divided in 3 stages. Thank you.